What's up, cooking peeps? On the show today, we're going to make one of my favorite dishes of all time. We're going to make chicken chimichangas, but this time we're going to make them in the Omorc Air Fryer. I've never made chimichangas in an air fryer before, and I think it's pretty interesting because it's going to give us that crispy outside like a regular fried chimichanga, but it's not going to be so greasy. So join me as we make air fryer chicken chimichangas. So I want to take this opportunity to thank Omorc for sending this air fryer. I will leave a link in the description to this air fryer as well to the video that we did previously, because this is a big air fryer, and if you want to feed more like 3 or 4 people, you need a bigger air fryer than the traditional ones, and this is that air fryer. So what we did is we made some salsa chicken. We wrapped it in foil and we cooked it in this air fryer, and let me tell you, you can do that in about 35 minutes. Halfway through the cook, we put another pouch with pinto beans and corn, and we cooked that on top of the chicken. And when I got that out, it was absolutely fantastic. And then I pulled it. So I pulled the chicken and I added the beans and the corn to give us our filling for our chimichangas. This filling is fantastic. So we are going to roll these babies up, and we're going to give them a nice brush of olive oil, and we're going to try to make a traditional chicken chimichanga using the air fryer. So let me go get the tortillas and let's get rolling. So we have a whole bunch of chicken here, but me and Eric are just going to eat 2 each. So we're going to eat 4. So we have some flour tortillas. I threw them in the microwave for a few seconds, maybe 15 seconds, just to get them pliable so I can fold them. We're going to stuff our chimmy with the chicken mixture. Don't overstuff it like I have a tendency of doing. We're going to roll the sides over. We're going to roll this top over. Woo, I got a loose end here. And then we're going to roll the chimmy. And then we're going to take, I got a really loose end on this one. We're going to take a toothpick, run it in here to hold it closed. And let me do a little repair on him. He'll be my little test chimmy. And we're going to go and fill the next chimmy. Chimmy. We're going to fold the sides in, roll it. You're going to fold these in kind of, and then hold these in and roll. You can use as big as tortillas as you want. We're just using like soft taco size. And we're going to fill chimmy. Looks really good. We're gonna roll. The more you roll, the better you get with your chimneys. Okay, we have the basket of our air fryer, our Omorc Air Fryer. It is huge. I really like this air fryer. If you want to take this basket out, all you do is lift this here, hit the button, and you lift the basket just like that. Easy as pie. So we're going to take our chimneys, and I have a little olive oil here. We're going to brush these chimney with some olive oil. Yum, yum. This is going to give our crispiness. This is what's going to give our crispy chimmy. Rip the tortilla a little bit on that one.
That sounds like a defect. Let it go to the defect department. Me.
Yeah. I think I can still eat it. I don't know about you, but I can still eat it. So these babies are looking good. Look at that. We got 4 chimichangas in here. So we're going to put our basket into the air fryer. We're going to wake up the air fryer. I'm going to go ahead and do 360 for 15 minutes. That sounds pretty good. And we're going to check it. So we're going to go ahead and start this baby up, and we'll be back in a few minutes and check on our chimichangas. These chimichangas are looking pretty skippy. Wow, look at that. Oh, nice and brown. Let me unplug that. Look at that bad boy. Woo-hoo-hoo. So let me get my plate and a little guacamole. We got chimmies, guys. Air fryer chicken chimichangas. Aha, they look delicious. Gotta get this out of here though. My toothpick. I don't want to eat that. Oh my gosh, it's nice and crispy. We ended up brushing it with a little bit of butter because with the olive oil it just wasn't browning like I really liked it. So we just brushed a little butter in about halfway through.
It was sizzling.
It was sizzling. It was sizzling. So I got a little bit of guacamole here to eat on there. Yummy, 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 yummy. Put a little salsa on the side. Yummy, 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 yummy. Chimichangas, guys, right in the air fryer. And they're nice and crispy. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Whoo-hoo. Got a little guacamole on that bad boy. Woo. That actually is a little too big of a piece for me. Delicious. Hot. The tortilla is nice and crispy, like it is right out of the fryer. Wow.
Plus your chimichanga wasn't floating in grease where it falls apart.
Yeah, it wasn't floating in grease, and they do tend to fall apart sometimes. The chicken is nice and tender. This is fantastic, guys. Wow. Can I just sit here and eat this all day? It was great. The chicken's nice and tender too. Great way to make chimichangas that are similar to frying, but you don't have so much grease, and they taste fantastic. Little guacamole on top, and you have a winner here, guys. I would say the Omorc Air Fryer is fantastic. We cooked the chicken in there, and we cooked a lot. A lot of air fryers that I use, we wouldn't have been able to do that much. We did 2 chicken packs, plus the pack with the beans and the corn. I'll put a link down in the description so you can take a look at how we did that. The chicken you can use with tacos, all kinds of stuff. And the chimichangas are really, really good as well. Really nice size on the Omorc Air Fryer. I'll give it my thumbs up. Definitely. Thank you, Omorc, for sending this. I'll leave links to it down in the description. Check it out because you will really like it. If you like this video, please subscribe below, leave me a comment and a like, and visit my all new website, amylearnstocook.com. You'll be able to get this recipe printable and searchable and printable on my website. Also, you can catch me on social media at Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. On Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. And have a great one. Really good.